Hey guys, Mike here with StoneCoatCountertops.com. We're going to show you in this video exactly how we install these steel legs in one of our wood slab tables. This is a simple project, very easy to follow. Just stay tuned and enjoy the video.
Okay guys, it's time to sand our drips off. They're all hard. It's been about 5 days. We're going to sand these off. Our quick coat is cured very well with those bars, so we have no movement in this table. We'll sand these drips off and then we're going to install our steel legs. We're going to show you we come in with our 50 grit metal sanding disc. We're going to come in at an angle to remove the tips of these drips so that you don't bust them off and do any chipping or anything like that. Then we just go ahead and go flat. You can find a link to our metal sanding disc on our products page where all of our links are to the tools and stuff that we use. Feel free to call us if you have any questions on this process, but we're going to remove these drips and we're going to put some sweet legs on. Let's get started. Okay guys, we got our legs all centered where we want them. We just go ahead and measure that off of your table, whatever dimensions you're looking for. And I'm going to use a 1.5 inch lag screw with a 1/4 inch lag screw so it'll go through my holes on my legs here. We actually got these legs off of Amazon. We'll put a link in the description. We really like them, and we'll show you exactly how they install. They're really easy to put on. Let's get started. We're just going to pre-drill this, and then we're going to use our nut driver and we'll just screw those in. Here we go. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to tilt this up. We'll carry it into our showroom. We'll show you what it looks like all set up. Let's do it.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video on how to install steel legs on any wood slab table. We had a great time on this project and we really love these legs. Again, you can see these legs on our Amazon links on our website at StoneCoatCountertops.com. If you have any questions, give us a call anytime for free project support. And remember, until next time from Stone Coat Countertops, you got this. We'll see you soon.